today we'll be discussing developmental networks. I'll be using the characters from Jujutsu Kaisen in my example. In the developmental network, Sukuna suppresses Itadori, who promotes the expression of the Fushiguro gene. The Fushiguro gene stimulates the expression of the Gojo gene, who is needed in order to destroy the curse. The Gojo gene needs the Fushiguro gene to stimulate his expression or to know that there's a curse to destroy in the first place. However, since the Sukuna gene is active and is inhibiting the expression of the Itadori gene by preventing the translation of Itadori mRNA, the Itadori gene cannot be expressed to promote the expression of the Fushiguro gene, who stimulates the Gojo gene to be translated and destroy the curse. Therefore, with all wild-type characters, the curse is not destroyed. Let's see what happens with a mutation in the Sukuna gene. It would no longer inhibit Itadori from promoting the expression of the Fushiguro gene, which would then stimulate the expression of the Gojo gene, who is now able to destroy the curse. If the Fushiguro gene was mutated, Sukuna would still be able to block the Itadori gene. Therefore, it would not matter if the Fushiguro gene was mutated, as he would not be able to be expressed anyways. Therefore, the Gojo gene would not be expressed and be able to block the curse. If there was a double mutant where Sukuna and Itadori are both mutants, Fushiguro would not be able to be expressed and the Gojo gene would not be able to be translated to block the curse. It would not matter that the Sukuna gene is no longer able to block Itadori, as Itadori is also unable to stimulate the expression of the Fushiguro gene. The Gojo gene cannot be translated, so the curse is not blocked. If there was a double mutant where Itadori and Gojo are mutants, the repressing Sukuna gene would no longer matter, as the Fushiguro gene would no longer be stimulated anyways due to the mutant Itadori. Additionally, without a functional Gojo gene, the stimulation of Fushiguro gene no longer matters, as the curse would be unable to be blocked and is not destroyed. If there was a double mutant where Sukuna and Fushiguro are both mutants, then the Gojo gene would still be unable to be expressed, as the mutant Fushiguro can no longer stimulate his expression. Although a Sukuna mutant can no longer block Itadori from stimulating the expression of Fushiguro, if Fushiguro mutant cannot stimulate the translation of the Gojo gene in the first place, the Itadori gene would no longer serve a purpose. Therefore, with a double mutation of the Sukuna and Fushiguro genes, the curse is not blocked and not destroyed. This example showcases how interactions of different characters can affect the outcome of a battle, similar to how genes in the genome can change the expression of different phenotypes. Here are my references. Thank you.